Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y35 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this VIVO. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose notifications over here and tap on app settings. So sorry I misclick. Then click on most recent and tap on the best option for you, in my case most frequent. Now tap on the switch or next 10 app from which you want to disable notifications, like Gmail. As you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now disabled, but you can always enable them by tapping on the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always just click on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!